Let's go, Dick. Okay, crowd, get involved with this one. Clap, 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 clap. Tanya.
Yo, man, give me that microphone and sit down. Cause a brother like me is no nigga that. So you know the rhyme that you find. Design to your sight. And light in the mind. The lines double changing a stranger. For the dogs down the junction. Out the mouth. Block the competition. Or the vision vision in an empty tank. Coming up blank. Crank the drums up so I can hit it. And subs up the thumbs up. And I'm dropping it. Heavy like man. When done thinking, you pick the perfect poet out the past. He's fast. I make the whole match. Try to catch up and you break your jaw. Don't laugh. I heard it happen before. Some savage ain't happy and can't rap. I had to pull back the trigger and clap. I went around the rock, aim for the head. Not to beat the bed, but instead pick his brain just like a psychiatrist. He had no idea that I had just mentally cheated the buzz like a bat. I just wanted to see what kind of girl he had. He wasn't too blind, so I had to shed some light. Now the kids don't write. He heard the bit again and had no idea I get dumb. I be dropping rhymes on drum.